Some years ago, my family and I found ourselves in the hot, sultry southern Indian city of Chennai. And I had to find a solution for some medication that a family member needed to maintain at a very cool temperature. So I called the front desk of the hotel and asked them, could you get me an ice pack?
Good morning.
I need an ice pack for medication. Ice pack, not ice. Ice pack? You don't know what that is. Okay, Imagine my surprise when people about 7 or 8 years ago didn't know what it was. But very helpfully, we all embarked on a collective wild goose chase in the city of Chennai, calling up pharmacies, calling up hospital outpatient places, etc., looking for an ice pack. At the end, I didn't even get an ice pack. I computed how much time was spent and sort of multiplied the time that was spent by the time value of money, if you will, and decided that we had spent 800 rupees, which is about $40 in those days. And that was 20 times the value of the ice pack. The same thing if I had done in Boston, walked down to the corner store, the ratio of the time value of money spent in getting the ice pack to the ice pack would have been 1-to-1. And to me, that difficulty of executing something, in this case, something as simple as getting an ice pack, is what this course is about. In other words, you want to do something meaningful, something that leads to an amazing enterprise that might make you fabulously rich or make you feel like Mother Teresa or Mahatma Gandhi because you solved a big problem. All that, in my mind, comes under a big tent version of entrepreneurship. But to do that, you have to navigate a lot of institutional constraints arising out of missing services in the environment, so-called institutional voids. Each of these missing institutions represents an opportunity for an entrepreneur. How do you solve problems that matter to you and to society around you when you are in this incredible array of constraints? You could become the entrepreneur that provides that service, not just for yourself, but for others. And you'll see this play out many times. The act of creatively solving a problem that matters to a large group of people amidst the constraints imposed upon those people by the developing countries. I think it's incredibly exciting. I've been doing this as a professor at the Harvard Business School for the last 20 plus years and having an absolute blast. And I invite you to join me in this course so that we can all learn how to do this better. It's fun, it's useful, and it's important.